Here is Masala Vada. Prep time 40 minutes. Serves 4. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Rinse 1 cup of chana dal under cold running water until the water runs clear, then cover with 1 cup of water and soak for 1 hour. Drain the soaked dal well and spread it on a clean cloth or plate to remove excess moisture for about 15 minutes. Pulse the drained dal until coarse and crumbly, not smooth, aiming for a texture like coarse breadcrumbs, using very little or no additional water. Finely chop 1 medium onion, 2 green chilies, grate 1 inch of ginger, chop 10 curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of cilantro. In a large bowl, combine the coarse dal with the chopped onion, chopped chilies, grated ginger, chopped curry leaves, and chopped cilantro. Add 1/2 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt to the dal mixture and mix gently. Taste a small pinch and adjust salt and chili if needed so the mixture is well seasoned. Divide the mixture into 12 equal portions and shape each into a small flat patty about 2 inches wide. Pour enough oil into a deep pan so the fritters can float, about 2 cups, and heat until the oil reaches 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide 3 or 4 patties into the hot oil and fry in batches, turning occasionally for even browning. Fry each batch for about 3 to 4 minutes until deep golden brown and crisp, then remove with a slotted spoon. Drain the fried vadas on paper towels for about 1 minute to remove excess oil. Keep the fried vadas warm while you fry the remaining batches, repeating the same 3 to 4 minute frying time until all 12 are done. Transfer the masala vadas to a serving plate and serve hot. This completes the preparation. Crispy masala vada ready to enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more vegan Indian recipes.